Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about how to create and update a table of contents in Google Docs. Super useful if you're working on long documents like reports, essays, ebooks, or even documentation. It's really simple once you know how, and by the end of this video you will be able to build a fully functional table of contents with clickable links in just a few clicks. So let's get started. All right, the first step is making sure you have used proper headings in your document. Google Docs creates the table of contents based on those. So instead of just bolding or enlarging your titles, highlight them, click on the title dropdown in the toolbar that probably says normal text, and choose a heading style. Usually heading 1 is for main titles, heading 2 for subsections, and heading 3 for smaller topics under that. For example, if you're writing a research paper, your chapter titles could be heading 1, the sections under each chapter can be heading 2, and the bullet points or specific subtopics could be heading 3. The more organized your headings are, the cleaner your table of contents will look. So go ahead and structure your document first before inserting the table. Once you have applied the headings to your content, now it's time to insert the actual table of contents. Just place your cursor where you want the table to go, usually at the beginning of your document, maybe after the title page or abstract. Then go to the Insert menu at the top, scroll down to Table of Contents, and you will see a few style options, one with blue links and one with plain black text and numbers. Choose the one you prefer, click it, and your table of contents is generated automatically. It pulls all your heading 1, 2, and 3 from the whole document. Now here's the cool part, the table of contents is clickable. That means if someone clicks on a section in the list, they will instantly jump to that part of the document. This is especially handy when you're sharing it with others or when the doc is really long. Okay, so what if you make changes later, like maybe you added new sections, changed a heading, or moved stuff around? No problem. You don't have to redo anything manually. Just click anywhere inside the table of contents and you will see a little refresh icon pop up in the top left corner of the table. Click that refresh icon and Google Docs will automatically update the entire table with the latest changes. New headings will be added, old ones will be removed if you deleted any, and it will even reorder everything if the structure changed. Super handy, right? Now let's say you don't like the default font or color of the table of contents. While you can't directly format the links like regular text, you can highlight them and apply some basic formatting like changing the font size, making them bold, or switching the color. Just remember, if you refresh the table later, it might reset to the default style. So it's a good idea to do formatting after you are done making structural changes. If you're someone who writes regularly, blogs, books, reports, learning this skill can save you a ton of time. And instead of manually writing out page numbers and titles, just format your headings properly and let Docs do the heavy lifting. One last thing, remember the clickable table of contents works really well when you're viewing the document digitally, like in a browser or PDF. If you're printing the document, you might prefer the version with numbers instead of blue links. You can choose that style when inserting the table. All right, that's everything you need to know about creating and updating a table of contents in Google Docs. Simple, powerful, and super useful. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and if it did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips like this one, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.